Are you looking for the best budget gaming PCs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best budget gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Skytech Shadow 4 Gaming PC. The Skytech Shadow 4 gaming desktop computer is the latest and affordable offerings for gamers. Built with the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, 16GB fast 3200 MHz memory, 1TB NVMe storage, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, players can enjoy lightning-fast load times, high-quality visuals, and an overall immersive, seamless gaming experience. For cooling fans, keep the system from overheating, while 6 USB ports offer plenty of ways to add or charge accessories. RAM: 16GB DDR4. CPU speed: 3.6 GHz, 4.2 GHz max boost. CPU: Ryzen 5. GPU: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Ports: 2x USB 3.0, 1x 3.5mm headset, 1x 3.5mm mic, 1x USB-C. Storage: 1 TB. Pros: excellent cooling. Relies on AMD Ryzen 5 3600 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. 1 TB of storage included. Great RGB lighting. Although $1,000 may be a bigger price tag than some budget gamers want to spend on their PC, those who want to be able to play the latest games will find it tough to beat Skytech's Shadow 4 gaming PC. Packed with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU and the Intel 13th generation Core i5, this PC can handle recent titles such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy. Plus, with 1 TB of built-in storage, players can really jump right into their favorite titles with ease. The Skytech Shadow 4 is the best budget gaming PC because it's perfect for players who want to save a little money without sacrificing much. Sure, the PC doesn't have the most cutting-edge tech inside, but it doesn't need it. The RTX 4060 is powerful enough for most gamers and is expected to continue to be a viable option for the foreseeable future. Gamers who want to be able to quickly get to playing and don't want to have to worry about upgrading anytime soon will find few faults with this budget PC. Along with excellent performance specs, this PC also includes 4 cooling fans that run incredibly quietly and 6 USB ports for connecting to any accessory a player might need. Plus, the whole case looks great with its mesh front and colorful RGB lighting. Number 2. Skytech Archangel Gaming PC Desktop. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running fan-favorite games such as Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, and Escape from Tarkov, thanks to its combination of a Core i5-12400F CPU and RTX 4060 GPU. With 4 RGB fans and a mesh plate front, the PC stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Ample room provided within, players can easily upgrade this gaming PC through the easy open, tempered glass side. RAM: 16GB DDR4. CPU speed: 2.5 GHz, 4.4 GHz max boost. CPU: Intel Core i5-12400F. GPU: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ports: 2x USB 3.0, 1x 3.5mm headphone, 1x 3.5mm mic, 1x USB-C, Gen 2. Storage: 1 TB. Pros: runs on powerful Core i5-12400F and RTX 4060 combo. Lots of space for upgrades. Fairly quiet, despite 4 cooling fans. It's not uncommon for gaming PCs to come with price tags over $4,000, especially once top-of-the-line hardware is included, but for budget shoppers, even $1,200 is a big ask. However, Skytech once again serves up a budget-friendly option without sacrificing much on the spec side of things, giving us our best premium, but on a budget, gaming PC. Using Intel's i5-12400F CPU and NVIDIA's RTX 4060 Ti GPU, this gaming PC can handle most new games without any issues. These impressive specs aren't just ideal for gamers either. Creators who use Unity, Adobe, and Blender will find that this PC runs everything they need with extreme speed and seamless rendering. The high-quality case features a mesh front cover and 4 RGB fans to facilitate excellent cooling. The tempered glass side can be easily removed, allowing players to access the wide-open spaces waiting for upgrades down the line. Despite all the internals and the spacious case, the PC actually runs fairly quietly, even when working hard at temperature control. As expected from a premium gaming PC, the Skytech Archangel has a clean white shell, accentuated by RGB lighting along the base and integrated with the fans. Those on a budget who want a gaming PC that will work with almost any title their friends might be enjoying should pick up the high-end Archangel gaming desktop. Number 3. MXC Gaming Desktop Computer. The MXC Gaming Desktop Computer is a beautifully crafted budget gaming build that offers several pre-installed RGB fans for ample cooling and a spacious mid-tower for easy upgrades. Powered by the Ryzen 5 5500 and GTX 1660 Super GPU, it provides a sweet spot gaming experience without breaking the bank. Brand: MXC. CPU: AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Memory: 16GB DDR4. Storage: 500GB NVMe SSD. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro. Case: Mid-tower. PSU: 450W. Pros: brilliant RGB lighting, excellent cooling, ample room for future upgrades. Having a great lighting setup for a gaming space can have an impact on the gaming experience as a whole. For some gamers, when it comes to RGB lighting on their PC, it's a must-have feature that MXC's gaming PC knocks out of the park. The front of the PC holds 3 brilliant RGB lit fans, while 3 others glow within the spacious PC case. The MXC gaming desktop can handle most current game titles right now with its combination of a GTX 1660 Super GPU and a Ryzen 5 5500 3.6 GHz, 6-core, 12-thread CPU. However, the onboard storage is only 500 GB, meaning that most gamers will want to grab an alternative SSD or plan on cloud gaming most of the time. Along with that caveat, players who are willing to wait a little while longer before getting a new PC can spend around $100 more and get an updated version of the same PC, this time with 1TB of storage and the AMD Radeon RX 7600 GPU, making this option less viable in the long run. Number 4. MINISFORUM Mini PC Neptune HX99G. MINISFORUM Mini PC Neptune HX99G boasts a beautifully designed chassis that is compact and rests on a sturdy stand. The system brings ports right in the front panel for easy connectivity and has a Wi-Fi 6 adapter for wireless internet. The system is powered by a high-end mobile chip, Ryzen 9 6900HX, and Radeon RX 6650M GPU for exceptional gaming performance on a budget. Brand: MINISFORUM. CPU: AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. Graphics: AMD Radeon RX 6650M. Memory: 32GB DDR5. Storage: 1TB SSD. Operating system: Windows 11. Networking: Wi-Fi 6E. Pros: features 32GB DDR5 and 1TB of storage. Can connect with up to 4 monitors at once. Can handle many current competitive titles. Gamers with limited space to play have at least one advantage over other players: they can capitalize on more affordable, compact PCs. One of the best small gaming PCs is the Neptune HX99G Mini PC. This computer relies on AMD's Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and the AMD Radeon RX 6600M GPU. With 8 GB of fast GDDR6 and 1 TB of storage, this mini gaming PC is quite the workhorse. While it may struggle to play the newest games available, competitive favorites and older titles, like Grand Theft Auto 5 and Dota 2, are a cinch to play. The PC is also protected from heat damage through a sophisticated heat dissipation design that uses copper cooling along with strategically placed fans. This gaming PC is also great for tackling creative work, such as video editing. Despite its small size, the PC can actually hook up to 4 monitors simultaneously, making editing work a breeze. As far as accessories go, with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, it's easy enough to connect to wireless accessories. Meanwhile, for USB 4.0, 1 USB-C, and 2 3.5mm ports offer wired connectivity. Perfect for players in small rooms or who frequently need to move their PC setup, this surprisingly powerful mini computer is just as capable as most other gaming PCs at this price point. Number 5. Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. Skytech Gaming Nebula is powered by one of the latest Raptor Lake CPUs that features 10 cores and 16 threads to stay ahead in gaming and productivity. Using the latest and one of the best budget GPUs, i.e., the RTX 4060, this is a perfect choice for anyone who wants to have satisfactory gaming and productivity potential. Brand: Skytech. Memory: 16 GB DDR4. Storage: 1 TB NVMe SSD. Processor type: Intel Core i5-13400F. VR compatible? Yes. GPU: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. Pros: Case has extra expansion space for future upgrades. Variety of CPU/GPU combos available. RGB lighting can sync with audio. Even the most capable PC users often don't have time to build a high-performance, budget gaming rig, but that doesn't mean they have the funds to buy a pre-built PC ready to tackle anything and everything either. For those gamers on a budget, buying a highly upgradable PC is the way to go, and the best option in 2024 is Skytech's Nebula Gaming PC. Packed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 and Intel Core i5-13400F, this budget gaming PC can tackle most current game titles without breaking a sweat. The 4 RGB lit fans look fantastic but are also very effective at keeping the case cool through hours of gaming. Plus, the PC comes with a 1 TB NVMe SSD for incredibly fast load times across a multitude of games. Despite these impressive specs, as is Skytech's style, this PC has tons of open space ready for new parts to be installed. This model is even more spacious than other Skytech PCs, as the Nebula fits all of its parts within a mid-size ATX, much bigger than what the PC actually needs. Tech-savvy players will get a lot of bang for their buck with this PC, considering that it's able to handle top-rated games out of the box yet offers lots of room for growth in the future. The only real downside to this PC is the lack of ports, although it does include a standard, yet simple, array of ports along the top.